Grinder for a while, and I've done some extensive grinding along the way, and clearly we could see some amount of, I would say, apart from the dust from the grinding, there appears to be oil here. So the question is, does the grease leak out of this while it's heated? I think there is some grease leak out. I can see what looks like grease leak out. So question is, has it? Does it make sense to open your angle grinder, check the grease every so often, clean it out and replace it? I'm gonna have a go at opening it, and hopefully I don't spoil it because it's my only angle grinder, but I think I might be better off by opening it and changing the grease, or at least checking on it. So let's see what happens. As it turns out, the grease migrated. This gear is in very good condition. This is also in very good condition. No way at all that I could see, but the grease has clearly migrated away from both of those gears. That is, I wonder if it's a bearing or a bushing. Anyway, there's grease here and there, but that's not really helping me. So what I'm going to try to do is just redistribute this grease, scrape some of it up, put it where the gears are, and hopefully I've improved the situation without adding additional grease, because I don't think I have correct viscosity grease. I do have auto grease. It is a possibility that I may be able to just stick some auto grease in there. Hopefully that could possibly be of benefit, but for the moment what I'm going to do is just redistribute this grease and, you know, hopefully reduce the wear. Well, the grinder still works perfectly, so I think it's something I can recommend that people try. Have a look inside and see if your grease is moving, if your gears are feeling what's going on, and yeah, probably just redistribute the grease. Maybe it helps.